Hello students, how are you? Hope you all are good. Now today I am going to start 8th chapter of your Living English book, and the chapter name is Our New Friends. So all of you open your Living English book, and in page number 85 this chapter is given, okay, and your chapter name is Our New Friends. So in this story, this very interesting story, and in this story, in our in our life we can make so many friends, okay, but sometimes we can make a friend, animal and bird also. So sometimes some animal injured, animal or plant, animal and bird are injured, and after that what should we do, that is the question, okay. So in this story it's also happened, okay. So let's begin. One Sunday, Karan was having breakfast with mummy, Shana, Dada and Dadi. Okay, one Sunday, Karan was having breakfast with mummy, Sana, Dada and Dadi. Papa was making cutlet in the kitchen. Papa was making cutlet in the kitchen. Karan had some milk, fruits and two cutlet in his plate. Okay, he was in a hurry to go to the park to play with his friend. He was in a hurry to go to the park because in park their friends was there, okay, and they are waiting for him, okay. So they was in the hurry to go to the park to play with his friend, okay. So Karan went to his friends Karim's house also, okay. So means Karan told that let's go in the park, let's go in the park, okay. As Karan and Karim was leaving, as Karan and Karim was leaving, they saw something on the step. They saw something on the step and they shocked, means they surprised. Okay, that is a pigeon. That is a pigeon on that place, and that is a pigeon. Okay, Karan said that, oh, that is a pigeon. The pigeon was hurt. The pigeon was hurt. It could not even move. It could not even move. Karan and Karim wanted to help the pigeon. Karan and Karim wanted to help the pigeon. Okay, and Karim's Abba and Ammi were not at home that time. Karim's Abba and Ammi means Abba and Ammi means what? Father and mother. Okay, so Karim's Abba and Ammi were not at home. Karan rushed to call his parents. Karan rushed to call his parents, and Karim waited near a pigeon to keep his cat away. Okay, soon Karan come with his papa and mummy, and then mummy told that mummy shocked, and she told that, oh, the poor thing is hurt, said mummy. After that, should we take it to Dr. Lakra, said Karan. Karan told that, should we take it to Dr. Lakra? Then Karan told that, not to our doctor, not to our doctor, because animals and birds means another doctor, they handled animals and bird. So here also Karan told that, not to our doctor, okay. We will take it to birds hospital. We will take it to the birds hospital, Papa said. Okay, now mummy told to children about the bird hospital near the Red Fort. Okay, near the Red Fort one hospital is there, and that is bird hospital. Okay, mummy told to the children about the bird hospital near the Red Fort. Okay, hundreds of birds are treated there every day. Hundreds of birds are treated there every day. Every day means that place every day hundred of birds there go. Okay, people said it is the best bird hospital in the Asia. People said that it is the best bird hospital in the whole Asia. Okay, Papa and the boy took the pigeon to the hospital. Papa and all and means boys took the pigeon to the hospital, and after that the doctor washed the pigeon's wound and bandaged it. Okay, first doctor washed the pigeon's wound, and after that bandage it. Okay, after that what will happen next? After a few days, the children brought the pigeons home. Okay, the children brought the pigeons home, and Karan and Karim took turn the look after it. Okay, they would feed it every day. Soon it was able to fly. Okay, that time they means that time the pigeon is feeling very well. Okay, and it was able to fly. Okay, the pigeon become their friend. They name it Dost. After a few days, Karan and Karim took Dost to the park. Okay, after few days, Karan and Karim took Dost to the park. It flew away. Then it flew away and sat on the branch. Okay, sometimes Dost comes to meet Karan and Karim. Sometimes it's come and to meet Karan and Karim. Okay, he even brings two other bird friends to meet them. Okay, Karan and Karim have placed bird feed and a ball of water on their balcony. Okay, many bird visit them. Many bird come in their balconies. Okay, and come and sit and they feed, and after that they drink water. After that flew away. Okay, so many birds visit them. Karan and Karim love the birds and the birds love them. Karan and Karim also love them. Means all birds are come in their balconies. Okay, and they sit there and they feed and they drink water, and after that flew away. Okay, so Karan and Karim also loved the birds, and birds also love them. Okay, so we should always take care all these animals and bird also. Okay, and the main thing is what is the moral of this story? So the moral of this story, we must be treat animals and bird well, and we must be kind of them. When they are sick, we should help them. Okay, we should take care of them. Okay, so read this story properly. Thank you.